Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we got some very exciting news. Fortnite is adding a new Fall Guys collab, and they're gonna have Fall Guys things in the game. I've never played Fall Guys. No, I have. What are they called? Beans? Those are little guys that run
I
around.
believe
I
so,
honestly have
yes.
no idea. I think they're called Fall Guys.
By the way, Steven and Liam are here, but you could already tell. All right, yeah. So I thought they were called Beans. Sam would know. But they're gonna be running around. I got an image to show you. You also saw it in the thumbnail. But yeah, this is very exciting. Both games, Fortnite and Fall Guys, are made by Epic Games, so it's easy to do collabs like that. What's good is Epic Games does do a lot of collabs, within its own, library of games. So it's exciting to see when two games that aren't really even similar, probably in, audience and just really player audience collabs like this. And I guess that's kind of like why they do it, right? Because a game like Fortnite or people that play Fortnite might never think of playing Fall Guys. And actually, I can give you a perfect example, because Sam loves Fall Guys, and he would never play Fortnite until we made him try it, and then he loved it, and now he used to play Fortnite a lot, but
He
yeah.
spent a lot of money on it.
Yeah, yes, he did. So yeah, all right. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, by the way, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and intro. All right, so stay tuned, everyone, because we got even more game news. We got some AI news in there, because when don't we? And we got some Scratch games to play at the end of today's episode, which I'm also really excited about. All right, so we got GimKit Creative Platforming is here. You can make games like Don't Look Down now in your GimKit Creative worlds. The reason that this was such a big thing, right, is because normally not Fall Guys, GimKit games are top down, right? But Don't Look Down is one of the only game modes where it's not top down. It's from the side, so it's a whole different style of gaming. So yeah, it's cool. Steven, do you make? I know, Steven, you know people who make GimKit maps, but do you make any?
I've tried, and I haven't done very well.
Yeah, I know that on TSARP on Mondays we had map making Monday, but that went bad because we were bad at making maps. So yeah, maybe in the future when TSARP gets its own GIM. Though I've talked to Josh about that, and he said no. But so maybe once at one time. Instagram was down today. Boo hoo, not good. Also we got
X wasn't down.
X wasn't down. We got today's tech history, too. This one's great. 14 years ago today, in 2010, on this day, our great friend Joseph was born. He's not on today's episode, but he's on once in a while, when someone else can't be on. But that's not because we don't want him on. He just doesn't like being on. But yeah, you've seen him. He was on our hackathon team that just won. He went to NASDAQ with us twice. Yeah, so you've seen him around. You might have heard him. So, all right. Also, on this day in 2005, Yahoo acquired Flickr for an estimated $22 million. If you don't know what was that sound?
A zipper.
A zipper. If you didn't know, Flickr is an image sharing website, obviously now owned by Yahoo. All right, let's see what else is up here for today. NVIDIA unveiled the incredible Star Wars robots that are powered with AI at a recent conference. They look scary. I'm kind of terrified, but they got that Star Wars look, so they're a little friendly too, But let's see, I got the video up on screen. There you go.
But are they scary fast?
Yeah, that's the question. Oh wait, Steven, your icon is not up here. All right, so there you go. They're walking. Those are real robots. I gotta fix Steven's icon. But yeah, we also saw the ones to the left of that are even scarier. We saw, I believe, the one all the way on the left. That one was seen. There was a video of that one, and that one was a lot scarier than these Star Wars ones. But yeah, so I mean, this is the future, guys. Robots and AI for sure. Yeah, I don't know. What if we had a TSARP robot? I mean, we've made the joke that we're robots, right? The reason Liam's here now is because we were able to construct another robot. Took a lot of money. But yeah, we did it, and that's why he's here.
We use the TSARP fund.
Yeah, we used the TSARP fund. All right, let's continue on. I'm still trying to fix Steven's icon. You're there now. You could be seen. It's better.
Hi guys.
Still needs some fixing though. All right, an Oreo churro flavor is coming to the shelves on March 27th. I've had a churro. I don't know about you. They're all right. Like I feel like they're hit or miss. Like you got to get them hot. But now I guess that's kind of fixed because these are Oreos. What's your favorite Oreo flavor?
I like the purple one.
The peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter jelly. You people are so weird. So you purple, use that, and then peanut butter and jelly.
I don't know what flavor that is.
It's
I
just-
saw it before.
I didn't even know there were those flavors. No, I'm just a simple, regular Oreo guy. I know
Fun
there's.
fact, actually, the reason
Yeah.
they have all those weird flavors is to get more people to buy the normal Oreos.
Interesting. All right.
So they're spending money
To make
developing
more
all
money.
this
Yeah.
just to make.
Yeah, they want to.
Yes,
Money-
because
They wanna
what
make-
people do is they buy the weird kind, and then they buy normal Oreos because they know they're probably not gonna like the weird kind.
Wow. All right. Fascinating. I did know that. I did know there was a mint flavor, mint Oreo, but I didn't know of any others. So, all right, peanut butter and jelly, and the purple mysterious one that we don't know.
I sent an image of it.
Oh, you did? Okay, let me take a look.
It's not fully purple.
Oh, space dunk. All right, that's got to be themed to something? That's got to be. Is that not?
No, I think
It's
just
limited
space themed.
edition, but okay. There you go. That's the one Steven was talking about. Never heard of him. All right. Let's see what other speedrun topics we got, everybody. Pokemon reset some users' passwords after hacking attempts. Oh no, Steven, I know it was you. You were trying to get all these those
totally.
Pokeballs. And you needed some more points, right? You were in one of those battles, and you were losing, and you had to hack in. But they caught on to you, Steven, and they're shutting it down. All right. The White House proposes up to $8.5 billion to fund Intel's new domestic chip manufacturing. I heard about this. Basically, Intel wants money because they're doing all right, right? They're not the leader in the space. Nvidia's really the leader in the space. They need some help, and the government knows AI is the future, chips are the future, so they're making a little investment here. They're giving some money to these companies. They've given a bunch to others. Intel's kind of like the last one we're waiting for here. But if Intel gets this money, then we might be seeing some better chips coming along. Maybe faster i9s, maybe i12s, but it also could just go into like the enterprise chips, not used for consumers. But we'll see.
I like consumer stuff.
some more, obviously, because we're consumers. I mean, I guess TSARP's it's a large corporation, guys. Lots of people running around here. Our headquarters 24 stories tall. You might be thinking, why not 25? Because the first number that came to my head was 24. So yeah. All right. Business Insider reports OpenAI is on track to release the next major version of its AI model in mid-2024. One CEO who's been who's been demoing GPT-5 said it's materially better than GPT-4. All right, I remember when GPT-4 was rumored, and we're like, what? GPT-4? But 3 just came out. So 5 would be really awesome. And once 5 comes out, it might be a little while till we see it in ChatGPT. Normally, they release it to the APIs first, and then it goes into the actual ChatGPT. Because again, this is kind of the enterprise versus consumer things, but ChatGPT is really for the consumer, most of it. It is used in other places, in businesses, but businesses really use the API. They make their own software and stuff like that, so that's really what gets GPT-5. So, maybe mid-2024 for GPT-5, and then maybe late 2024 for GPT-5 in ChatGPT. Or maybe at the same time if we're lucky, so... all right, huge data breach happened at EA. Tons of accounts hacked, especially Apex Legends accounts. Mainly Apex, but it's an overall EA issue. What's with all this hacking? First we had, what was it?
Pokemon.
Pokemon, and now we have Apex Legends. Steven, you play Valorant and League of Legends, but do you play Apex Legends?
My computer would explode if I did,
I
but
play some Apex.
I
All
do
right.
want to try it one day.
All right, I downloaded it a while ago, but then I there was some I don't know, this was years ago. There was some tutorial thing, and I played it, and then I was like, nah, I'm gonna go back to my Fortnite. What do you think of it, Liam?
It's fine. I don't play much anymore. I used to play quite competitively. I don't anymore.
Oh,
It's
all
fine. Very sweaty.
right. All right. Official Epic Games mobile app is coming to Android and iOS. I got a picture here. Looks really cool. And this would be awesome. This would mean that we could download the apps, right? Fortnite, Fall Guys, all those other Epic games that I don't know of. But you could download them all from the Epic Games store instead of going to the App Store or even just not having them because they weren't on the Apple App Store. For instance, mobile Fortnite. We haven't had it for a while, but hopefully it will be coming now, or we kind of know it will be coming with this Epic Games store. So that's exciting. Picture on screen for everyone. But yeah, we see stuff like Rocket League Sideswipe, Rocket Racing, Post Party, Fortnite Festival, and regular Fortnite all in there. So that would be cool. All right. Yes, Steven?
I got a question though. So you know how there's a very large library of games on the Epic Game Store, right?
Mm-hmm.
How are they gonna do that for mobile?
That's
Is it just
Probably
down from?
I would assume
It's
all the compatible ones, yeah, would
That would make sense.
yeah. See, this is it. I already see a thing up on the right. There's two phones on the screen right now. The one on the right says this game is available for multiple devices. I think any game that says that or available for mobile is available on this new store will be. But any game not compatible, I don't know. Well, there's no Fall Guys mobile, right? So there
GTA
wouldn't
5.
be. Yeah, or GTA 5 wouldn't be.
GTA 6, hopefully soon.
Yeah, hopefully soon. But yeah,
Wow.
so basically just any apps compatible. But maybe with this store, we'll be seeing more games be available for mobile, right? Like we've heard of rumors of Fall Guys mobile, but nothing official. Now maybe with the release of this store, they'll be pushing some of those projects more because they have a place to release them. So maybe this will help get some of those games out. That would be cool. All right. I think is that about. Oh no, we have one more. GitHub launches its beta code scanning autofix feature, combining Copilot and Code QL to find and fix security vulnerabilities in real time during coding. This was previewed last November. Wow, that was a long explanation to a topic. Basically, GitHub is kind of on the forefront, right, of AI. They're with it. They released Copilot a long time ago to help you with coding. They also have Code QL, but now they're combining those into a beta code scanning autofix feature. Pretty cool. I don't use GitHub a lot. Liam, I know you were kind of making fun of me the other day for not using it but do you use it? Do you ever?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I've used it for one project. And it was because I kind of needed it for that project, and it was a really awesome project, but then my account got hacked, and then I lost it.
Wow.
Yeah, it took I don't know if you've heard of it. It was a program for, the command line, that was, I think
Yep.
it was supposed to find, users' usernames on different, or you put in one username and it would find their username across platforms. Okay, I made a web version of that, and I used some awesome GitHub features. I forget what they even called it now. Anyway, really cool project, though I lost it. So that's it. The website, I believe, still exists, but the actual backend was kind of hosted on GitHub, and that doesn't exist anymore. But I'm not even going to try to find it because I forget the name of the URL. All right. I think that's all our speedrun topics. Let's go to the two games we got to play. First off, we got Frame Flow by Never Active. That's awesome. All right, so basically what this is it's an animation program. By the way, can one of you send the link in chat? That would be great. But yeah, so I can create a little project over here. You can't see my screen, now you can. And when I click that plus, it creates a project, then I can draw things on the screen. Right now, my pen is red, though I'm trying to see, can I change the color? Okay, and then you could do a new frame. You can see the last frame in the background. And then you can keep drawing. It's kind of like a sprite editor, or Piskel, if you've ever used those, but it's more fluid. It's not pixel art. It's lines, and then you can play it, and it cycles through. Let's see if I can make an actual good animation here. Let me delete. Oh, no, I just want to reset the frames. All right, let's see if I can create, not a real good one, but I mean like something that is like, oh, it works. So I'm going to draw a little stick figure here, and then legs, okay, arms, and then let me draw a new frame, and then I'm going to draw the guys now over here, and, oh god, I messed up that eye. Okay, the guys now over here, and let's see, are these two frames there? Okay, they are. Now I can draw the next frame. And basically, this is how you can use the program. It's a basic little animation program, but it's awesome that they made this in Scratch. And yeah, I could keep going, and then it would go, and I can even change stuff like drawing quality, brightness, color, frames per second, all that stuff. So, pretty cool. On to the next one. Let's see what this one is. Oh yeah, this is User Exploration V1.6.1. All right, this one's made by Just a Block. Oh, they commented. This is awesome. So they commented, oh god, on their project. They said, guys, we're on TSARP in a few minutes. Pretty awesome. All right, so I'm excited. This project has 190 views. Pretty good. And let's see. All right, it says loading, ... Let's hope. I think it says if the servers are down, download this. So hopefully they're not down. That might be a little annoying to download, but hopefully they're not. Oh, they are. Okay. Servers are offline, or you are a new scratcher. Okay, I might have to download this server? Question mark. I believe the creator was in chat. Liam, Steven, are they saying anything? I don't think so. Let's see. My chat window isn't working here, but no, I don't think they were. All right, let's see. I'm gonna have to download this. Hopefully, no viruses, guys. But okay. So, this might take too long.
We can download the server if needed.
I'm gonna try, and then it's a Python file. I can run Python files, but it. Okay, let's try this. Let's go on a little field trip, guys. We're on GitHub now. That's where our field trip took us. See, GitHub. We were talking about it earlier, and here it is now. All right. So, oh no, I'm on their profile. I don't use GitHub enough. Okay, I think. Uh-oh. How do I get?
All right, I'm downloading it.
You're downloading it. Liam's gonna end up getting it faster than I can. I think all I gotta do, if Liam doesn't get it, is do not use. That's the dev version. How do I download this? Press releases? No. Download server. Oh.
It thinks some growth patch.
That's awesome. Server launcher.exe is what I gotta download. I don't know what that is. Find the latest release. How do I do that?
I don't know. This might be a little bit glitchy. Let's exit this.
All right. Let me know if you could get it running. This was updated 29 minutes ago. Yeah, apparently this is for dev use only, but I don't see the. Are you downloading the exe or the PI file?
Let's see.
You should totally download the dev file.
Let's see. Let me just download zip.
I'm downloading V1.5. Yep, right one.
Okay. V1.5. I think they're on V1.61.
That's probably the issue.
Yeah. This was updated 26 minutes ago, so. Not 26, 29. I don't know. Maybe the guys. Maybe I have the guy on Discord. Will there be a part of like. So project can work. There will be a link in project description with
Oh,
file.
it looks like the Scratch is working now. I think someone might have.
okay. Right username of
I think
someone.
the owner probably got the server up.
Okay. If the server, yeah. So write username of someone from Scratch. Does it have to be their exact username? I would do you, Liam, but I don't know your exact username.
Red Nose 13, all one word.
Okay, red nose. Should I put capitals? It doesn't matter. I don't know.
Nope.
13, the number.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's loading. Let's see what
My old
happens.
account.
I don't even know what this is. I don't know what this project is. I'm kind of going in blind, but okay. So let's see. You have 282 followers, 114 projects, and it says, "What am I working on?" And it's got a little link at the bottom, and I assume it's a YouTube link from what I can see. So maybe it's a YouTube channel. All right, is that it? Yeah, I think this worked. Then let me put in mine. Let's see if this works. Or I could put in Sam's too. Because Sam has a lot of stuff on his. I don't think I have like anything on mine, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. I have 6 followers. About me. I code. What do you think? What I am working on? Stuff. And I have 5 projects. Whoa. Okay, let me put in Sam.
Wow.
Actually, I forget his username. Steven, what's yours?
Bluebird _ coding.
Bluebird _ coding. Let's see if it works. Okay, you have 5 followers and 12 projects. No about me, no what am I working on. All right, I think this is pretty awesome. I like it a lot. It's cool. I like that it obviously uses some very interesting. This is Scratch, so I can look in it. I have no idea how this works.
I think it uses the Tim McCool from what it looks like. Yeah, it does. It uses the Scratch cloud requests.
That's a thing?
Yep.
Wow, Scratch is so much better than Hatch. Okay, yeah, I have no idea. So there's some crazy stuff you could do in Scratch that I don't know. But all right, that's pretty cool. And thanks for submitting this game, Just a Block. The link is in the chat, I believe. And are you gonna play mine? Can you play mine? Yes, we can play. Oh yes, I was gonna play yours.
All right, then the spreadsheet. Sweet.
This guy in chat wants to share his game with you. Also, what about mine? Okay, I'll play yours because I remember you sent that yesterday. But the other person in chat, I not have the chat open, so I can't see them. Just join the Discord, send it in there. Or if you're already in it, just send it in general chat because you can't send it on YouTube. All right, this is the other game we got. It's Space Combat 1 Test. All right, let's take a look. This is by Timmy the Coder Boss. And let's start. All right. I think you have defeated Unknown's most skilled pilot. We are on one step closer to winning this war. All right. How do I continue? Did I win? I don't know. You may need to click the green flag. Oh, yeah, I think it just... Oh, no, maybe I think I'm an idiot. How do I continue? WASD, left mouse to shoot. There's some horrible noises that I don't think you can hear. It's obviously gunfire, but it's really loud in my ears. Okay, I don't know. A, D. I don't know how to actually get this game going. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm here. Mission 7 complete. Okay, this is obviously, it says test, and it says game is buggy, and it is pretty buggy. There's not much I can really do. It just says complete. All right, maybe once it's stable, we could probably play it again, and play longer and play the full thing. I think it started on a random mission. Oh, okay. Yeah, whenever you get it stable, just send it over. We'll play it. All right, so I think we had one other guy in chat that wanted us to play his game, and I love playing games, so I would love to do that as long as he can send it. Liam, you told him to DM you, right?
Yep.
Okay, has he done that?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. If he does that, then we'll play it. Otherwise, we got some other people in chat too. So if you want to send your games, send them over. And if you don't have enough time, if you want us to play them tomorrow, send them in tomorrow. Some people were asking when we're gonna do our next Scratch game marathon. In the future, definitely a lot of people like that. They found it really cool. So I would say once a week, but that's too much. It's really tiring. It's hard to also find that many games. So maybe like every 2 weeks. We'll do it in the future, definitely. I just got to remember. Or maybe every time we hit a milestone. Actually, let's do it that way. Every time until 1,000 when we hit a milestone. So, like, if we hit 500, we'll do another one. Hit 600, we'll do another one. So on and so on until 1,000. And maybe 1,000, we'll do, like, a really mega one there. We're gaining so quickly that we'll be at 500 in, like, a week. But, yeah, I mean, it's great. TSARP audience growing, which is always a lot of fun. So yeah, submit your games in the Discord, subscribe so we can do more of these if you like them, and don't forget to like. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.